Hello everybody, welcome to my another video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how can you get your domain for free. So if you need any domain for free, you can get it here. So I'm going to show you here. So before started, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification. So let's get started. So here I am in my laptop, so just go on freenom.com. Just open this site and you can see here, find a new free domain. So which domain you like, you can just search for here. So suppose I would like to make my new website here viral. So this is my domain name and I will click on check availability. Just click here and you can see here .tk, .ml, and here is totally free. This one of these domains, they are free. You can see here, get one of these domains, they are free. You can get here any, and this GA, you can see here viral.ga. I have already took and made one website. I will show you here. So there you can see here viral.ga, and after that you can see here I have already took, so it's not available. So these other websites are available, so you can use that. And for .com, .net, .org you have to pay, so it's quite cheap. You can buy from this, but if you need free, then .tk, .ml, .cef, .gq are available and you can get it here. So I will show you once, which I have took the website name .ga, and you can see here .ga is opened and you can see here. So this is my website and you can get and make your website and work here. So here it's not available, so if I get here, you can check, and in this way you can get your domain. So I hope this video helps you a lot. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification to get more updates. I posted here more than 350 videos and I post here daily, so please check it out. Thank you so much.